Did you know Instagram lets you pin up to 3 posts to your profile? Now, this is a new feature that rolled out a few months ago, and in today's video, I will show you how to effectively use it for your small business to promote anything from your email list, to grow your brand awareness, promote products, any sales you're currently running, or create a banner just like this. Now, by the end of this video, you will have actionable steps so you can start using the pin post to gain more visibility, warm up your audience, gain leads, and close out sales. Let's start with what it means to pin a post on Instagram. Pinning a post on Instagram allows you to move it up to the top of your profile so it becomes the first thing people see on your grid. Now, the new feature is also known as grid pinning, and it's a great way to showcase images or reels to your profile. It's very similar to pin posts on Facebook or tweets on Twitter. Now let's talk about how to use pin posts on Instagram for your small business strategically. Now, there's so many things that you could pin on your profile, and to be quite honest, the possibilities are just endless. And I wanted to give you guys a list of different ways that you could use a pin post for your small business effectively. So therefore, you could grow your brand awareness, warm up your audience, and get more sales. Now, you could use it as follows: launching a promotion. If you are planning to run Black Friday or Christmas sales, you could pin it to your profile. So therefore, when people are engaging with your brand, that's the first thing that they see. If you have a best-selling product or products, it makes sense, right, to showcase them and pin them as a post. Are you doing any events or craft shows, or has a brand feature you? Pin it. This will help you build credibility. It will help you drive more traffic to your event or craft show, and it will also help you build authority within your audience. Do you have a post or reels that perform well or that went viral? This is your chance to pin it to get more traction from it. You can also use the pin post to promote your QR code that takes the customer either to your Etsy shop, to your website, to your Shopify store, or any other destination where you want to drive traffic to. You can also use it to promote and grow your email list by pinning your lead magnet or incentive that you're offering your audience. Another way is to showcase a brand that you are collaborating with. You can also use it to showcase new products, or my special thing, which is do a sneak peek of any new items that you are planning to add to your small business. In addition, you could showcase reviews and small wins for your small business. And keep in mind, social proof online is really, really important. You can also do a meet the maker type of post. This will help you warm up your audience, and it should include who you are, what you do, and why people should follow you. But these are all different types of ways that you could grow your brand awareness, warm up your audience, and at the same time, get more sales. What to include in your captions. Make sure that the first line in your caption contains a hook. Hooks are what makes people stop scrolling and pay attention to your actual posts. So some examples of hooks are my top bracelets to help you cope with anxiety, how to get silky smooth skin, why 1,000 people have purchased this printable. Next, focus on writing captions. They are there to provide more context about your products and services. Talk about what type of problem your product solves or what kind of need it fills, and remember to add the benefits and the features of the product. Make sure to close out your caption with a call to action. The call to action tells the reader what type of action you want them to take next. Examples of call to actions are: click the link in bio to shop now, claim your 20% off today, share this post with your bestie. How do you pin an Instagram post to your profile grid? The first thing you want to make sure you do is to have the latest version of Instagram installed in your phone. Then you want to scroll through your feed and find an Instagram post or reels you wish to pin. Tap on it and then tap the 3-dot menu in the upper right corner to open the post action menu. From the menu, select the pin to your profile option. If you scroll up to your feed, you will see a white pin icon in your post upper right corner, indicating that that is a pin to the top of your Instagram grid. Now, when you're ready to unpin, you're gonna do the same steps. You're gonna tap on the post that you want to unpin and tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner to view the menu, then tap unpin from the profile. This is how simple it is to pin to your profile. Are you planning to use this new Instagram feature for your products or services? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.